Good morning, Nashville Auto Garage. Can I help you?
Yes, I hope so. I'm having trouble with my car engine. It won't start this morning. Can you come to my house and repair it for me, please?
What can I say? My men are working with some cars right now, sir. I think you'll have to wait for a few hours. What if we come to your house tomorrow?
But I need the car tomorrow.
You could try other garages.
I want to, but I don't have any contacts. Besides, I have been your loyal customer for a long time.
I have a friend who might help you. He's also a car mechanic, like me, and I can guarantee he will repair your car as well as we do. Let me call him for you now.
Oh, that's very kind of you to offer. Thanks.